Hello everybody, today we are going to unbox Tukzer USB cable. This is a brand founded in 2015 with an aim to provide luxury mobile accessories at valuable prices. This one comes with a 24-month warranty. It supports 2.4 amp fast charging. It has a length of 1.2 meters. So let's go ahead and open it. Its MRP is $699 but I bought it from Flipkart for a price of $299. It is also tangle free and supports both charging as well as syncing data. The tip is made out of fine material and we can also see the aluminium casing with logo on it. It has got good chamfered edges and the cable is made up of solid material and nicely braided to give that extra protection. You can see the similar finishing on other side also. I have got some other cables like the rounded cable from Redmi Note 3 which is broken at one end due to bending, and some flat cable as well as with similar issues. But that's not the case with the cable. As you can see, I have fully bent it and nothing happens to this. Now I have connected to the power source and let me connect to my phone. And straight away it's charging. So that's it guys for this video. So give thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe and comment below. More videos coming up soon.